Hi, I'm Jason, and I'm going to guide you through each step of the installation process. In a few short steps, you and your family are going to be enjoying your new American Standard Drop-in Sink.
Remember to take your time, take a break, or re-watch a step whenever you need to. If you need additional information, you can always refer to americanstandard.com or call our customer service line. Before we begin, I like to make sure I have everything that I will need, organized and within reach. I find this helps make the install as smooth as possible. At this point, you can remove all contents from the package and lay them on a flat surface nearby. You'll want to double check that all required pieces are included. Gather all the required tools and keep them in your work area. While not required, I like to keep some old towels or rags around. You might need them to catch some water or for a quick cleanup. Okay, so with our prep work complete, it looks like we're ready to start.
Using the template provided, locate the position of the sink on the counter. Be sure to provide proper clearance under the countertop for the faucet supply lines, the drain assembly, and the structural parts of the cabinet. Drill a clearance hole inside the perimeter line of the template for the drop-in installation. Now, cut an opening around the perimeter of the template. Now, you're ready to install the sink. Place the sink temporarily and check for alignment and clearance. After checking for fit and alignment, turn the sink upside down and apply a generous portion of silicone adhesive around the underside of the rim near the edge. Carefully place the sink in position and wipe off excess adhesive. Now, mount the faucet and drain assembly on the sink following the manufacturer's instructions. Now you're down to the last step. Connect the trap to the drain assembly and hand tighten it to check alignment. Secure joints for watertight assembly. Okay, so if everything is dry and working, your installation is complete. Just a little cleanup, and then you're ready to enjoy the everyday beauty and function of your new American Standard sink. And remember, if you have any questions or you need additional information, you can always visit americanstandard.com or call our customer service line.